It's the NEET 2016 question in gravitation. It says, at what height from the surface of the earth, gravitational potential has this certain value and acceleration due to gravity has certain value, assuming that the radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers. I shall use the data to solve this problem so that calculation becomes easy. Yeah, what we can say? First of all, what is gravitational potential? This is minus gm by r plus h at a certain height. Be careful, it's not minus gmm, that is gravitational potential energy, but what he has given is gravitational potential. So magnitude of gravitational potential is gm by r plus h. I can take only the numerical value without worrying about the sign. Similarly, g at a certain height, we know that formula, g dash by g. No, rather using this formula, rather going to this formula, let me write g dash, and when you consider any body at a certain height, let us consider a body at a certain height of mass m, earth mass is capital M, height is h, radius of the earth is r, then we can say the weight acting is due to the gravitational force gmm by r plus h whole square, and m will cancel. So I'll call this as mg dash because it's at a certain height. So I can write g dash equal to gm by r plus h whole square rather than using a regular formula. Now I know v, I know g dash. Both of them in the denominator is having r plus h. Let's make v by g and see what happens. Gravitational potential by g dash. Because both these values are given for you in the problem. Yeah. It becomes gm by r plus h, this divided by this value, gm by r plus h whole square. So it becomes gm by r plus h. This denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. gm and r plus h and r plus h will cancel. Then v by g dash is r plus h. V value is given as 5.4 into 10 power 7. G dash is given as 6 is equal to r plus h. Then 54 into 10 power 6 by 6. I just eliminated this point to make calculation easy. Equal to r plus h. This is 9 into 10 power 6. Radius of the earth is given as 6,400 kilometers, that is into 10 power 3 meters. That becomes 6.4 into 10 power 6 meters. So in the place of r, I can write 6.4 into 10 power 6 plus h. I have written like that because 10 power 6 is common, calculation becomes easy. So h equal to 9 minus 6.4 into 10 power 6 meters. So 9 minus 6.4 is how much? 2.6, right? Into 10 power 6 meters. Or 2.6 into 10 power 3 kilometers. 2.6 into 10 power means 2600 kilometers. That's the answer for the problem. So this is the simplest way to solve the problem by using the data. Maybe you can try solving the problem without using the data itself by using a formula like g dash by g equal to r by r plus h whole square. G dash is 6, g is 9.8. So you can solve this way also. Square root of 6 by 9.8 is R by R plus H, and further you can proceed for calculation, but it becomes a lengthy calculation. To avoid that lengthy calculation itself, he has given you the value of that potential, right? That is to make your calculation easy and simple. That's how we solve this problem. Thank you for watching.